Billy Kawaja. I'm the Food and Beverage Director at HARB'R Resort.
What does food mean to you?
Oh boy, easy question. So I'm going to go back to when I was early 20s. I just wrapped up my attempt to be a ski racer. Didn't work out. I went into air traffic controlling. A week from graduation, I was being posted in Gander, Newfoundland. Maybe it was Edmonton. It was somewhere I didn't want to go. And I decided to quit. My parents, my peers were really confused. They didn't know what was going on with me and my life as I made this decision to give up a potentially very good career. So my girlfriend and I at the time packed up, we moved to Slovakia. We moved to Bratislava. We lived on a houseboat right on the Danube River, and we just explored. As a previous ski racer, I had a lot of friends skiing on the World Cup circuit. So we traveled around. I saw a lot of old good colleagues. And it was getting a bit cold. I think it was mid-December. And we said, let's go down to Croatia. So we took our car, we drove down through Slovenia, Croatia, and on the way down, we stopped on the side of a road. And the reason, it was lunchtime, but there was a restaurant right on the side of the road, and I remember it like it was yesterday. There was someone who was roasting a whole lamb. So I thought, that looks really interesting. So we went in there, and the experience that we had in there, it was an older couple, and it was their heart on the table. They raised the lamb themselves. We had fresh bread. The bread was, they grew the wheat, they milled it themselves, and every touch point on the table was truly an extension of themselves. The fun part was they had slivovicas, a spirit they drink in Slovakia, or not Slovakia, sorry, Croatia. The gentleman came out and put 3 bottles on the table. We could drink as much as we want. At the end, it's like, okay, that'll be €2. Really fun. Great value. But that whole experience, it just dawned on me that that's what I want to do in life. I want to be able to connect through the experience I offer a guest to kind of show them a piece of my heart of what I do and what I love to do. Growing up, food is really important in our family. It brought all of us together every night. I grew up with 2 siblings, parents that were very much involved in our life. And every night it was a time for us to get together. And as they say, breaking bread, an opportunity to unpack the day and really to enjoy each other's company, to understand a little bit about what everyone's day was about. Food, in my career, I see it as a bridge to share a story about a region, about a chef's story, whether it's about a story of a message we're trying to pass through. At the resort specifically, we celebrate the region. We celebrate where we are, which is a bountifulness coming out of the North Atlantic where we're in. We have beautiful seafood. We have a bountifulness coming from the valley. And with that food, we try to bring people together and tell the story about the region.